How to use the zoom annotation tool. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so now let's get started. First of all, you have to open your zoom application. Now once you are in, you have to simply click on the whiteboards, and here you have the recent whiteboards, or you can also create the new one by using the templates. If you want to create a new one, you have to click on the plus icon and create a new template. Now once you create it, you have to edit the template like start, stop, continue and etc. You have to simply click on the use template. Now here you can use these tools. First of all, here is the draw tool. From this tool you can draw anything, and here is the shapes tool. You can draw shapes or the lines, and here is the text or the sticky notes. Here you can add the text, or you can also change the templates in it. If you want to erase these shapes or the sticky notes, you have to simply use it. Now you have to click on these three dots, and here you can export your board as a PNG. So this is how you can use the zoom annotation tool.